Welcome back and thanks for staying with us. It's now time for the Financial Week. The Minister of Industry and Commerce, Senator Aubyn Hill, says the process has begun to transform the operations of the Companies Office of Jamaica. Addressing the South St. Catherine Chamber of Commerce this week, he noted that the reforms are necessary.
I believe that one of the best inventions of Western capitalism is something called the limited liability company, which is why Companies Office, we're changing it. We have to change where it is. It's not nearly efficient. I've said that, but it's historical stuff. We're in there to change the ICT, online stuff, and where they work is a dump. It's unfair to them. That's my and the permanent secretary responsibility.
Deputy Governor of the Bank of Jamaica, Dr. Wayne Robinson, says the customer shopping platform that compares products and services across banks is expected to be made available to the public soon. The platform, which will act as a one-stop shop for account holders and potential account holders, will help to provide citizens with the latest information and costs associated with certain services in one place, so they're able to make informed decisions and purchases.
So right now we're working on what is called a customer shopping platform, which is a one-stop shop, one-stop website, one-stop portal that will allow anybody to compare products, compare interest rates, compare services across bank in one go. Right? And so we're hoping as well to launch that certainly in the last quarter. Yeah.
Meanwhile, the BOJ also provided an update on the electronic Know Your Customer EKYC digital platform, another tool to reduce the burden for customers opening new accounts through a centralized identity verification system.
We have selected a vendor. They'll have to configure the system and work with the banks, the DTIs, to ensure that their systems and this particular utility will be properly synchronized. So we're looking at the first half of 2027 for a pilot of the EKYC utility and thereafter going into full national rollout.
To the stock market now, the JSE index declined by 1,212 points, while the junior market index declined by 13 points. The advances included ISP Financial Services, West Indies Petroleum, Lasco Financial Services, PBS Preference Shares, and G West Corporation. To the losers now, they include R.A. Williams Distributors, 138 Student Living Jamaica Producers Group, Trans-Jamaican Highway, and Consolidated Bakeries, 12 stocks traded firm. To currency trading now, at the end of foreign exchange trading, banks and cambios were selling the US dollar for an average $159.39. The Canadian dollar is being sold for $115.71. The pound is going for $215.34, while the euro is selling for an average $187.27. And that's the Financial Week. We'll have news from overseas and our bite of the week next.